Lockdown, if he suffocates.
He used up quite a bit of oxygen already.
Or gets crushed by a collapse.
This might actually be a fault right here. You see it differs from the cemented sandstone we have on either side of it.
1,000 feet in, he finally reaches the last stretch of the tunnel under U.S. soil.
I'm going to take one last compass with you. We got everything we need inside this tunnel, so we're going to actually try to head back north.
Agent Lenoir is heading back to safety. But with billions of dollars to be made moving coke across the border, he knows this tunnel won't be his last.
Officially, there have been 169 tunnels throughout both our borders. When you have suitable areas in which to tunnel and you have a willingness on somebody to do that work, the threat of tunneling is always going to be there. Voila!
Using Agent Lenoir's coordinates, holes are drilled down into the tunnel. Next, concrete will be poured into the shaft.
That's it. Nobody